Hey everyone, if you want to create professional videos quickly without starting from scratch, InVideo templates can save you a huge amount of time. In this video, I'll show you how to use InVideo templates from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the InVideo website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create an account and access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, click Create Video and browse the template library. InVideo offers templates for YouTube videos, social media content, advertisements, presentations, reels, shorts, promotional videos, and many other categories. Take some time to explore the available templates and choose one that closely matches the type of video you want to create. Starting with the right template can dramatically reduce editing time. You can also replace stock footage, images, and graphics with your own media files. Upload your videos, photos, logos, and branding elements to make the project unique. And that's how to use InVideo templates in 2026. With ready-made designs and powerful editing tools, you can create professional quality videos much faster than building them from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.